Don't plant broilers until you watch this video. If you want to go into poultry farming, you want to go into broiler farming, don't go in yet until you watch this video till the end. And make sure you don't skip any track at all. Broiler farming is very lucrative. But before you make profit in broiler, it's always difficult. So this video will help you because I will explain how I made up to 2,100 naira per bird, per broiler profit. Assuming you are going in for 100 birds, because I have seen many farmers are asking, please calculate the profits of 100 broilers, 50 broiler, 10 broiler, 20. That's how I get the questions. But I plant up to 1,000 birds, 500 to 1,000 broilers. But I'm going to use 100 broilers for you here so that it will be easier for you to understand. If you are stocking 500 broilers, you need to multiply every figure here by 5. If you are stocking 200, multiply every figure by 2. Then 1,000, multiply every figure here by 10. That's how you get it. This is a realistic video, fully practical. What we have already witnessed, what we have done and come out with good results. Watch the end. Assuming you are planting 100 broilers, which is about 2 cartons. Normally, if you buy from a reputable distributor, they will always give you mortality broilers, that is mortality chicks. Some will give you 2 per carton, some 1 per carton. Assuming they give you 1 or 2 per carton, it is easy to rear 100 broilers without mortality. Yes, it is very easy. We have done it with 500 birds without mortality. Yes, it is easy. Depending on your farming skill, management capability, and other manageable strategies you can adopt to do this. 100 broilers is easier than 500 broilers. Assuming you have no mortality at all. 100 birds. And if you are selling at maybe dressed weight, 6 weeks, you can target 3 kg. We get 3 kg in 6 weeks here and above 3 kg. Let's assume average of 3 kg per bird in 6 weeks. And you are selling at maybe dressed weight. If you are getting 3 kg live weight, when you dress it, 70% of it will be fully meat. You have removed the feather, they have removed the feather, you have removed the legs, the head, and others. You get at least average of 2.2 kg per bird. And if you are selling at very good price, let's assume 4,200 per kg of dressed broiler. In some areas, they sell 4,500, but majorly is 4,200. Some sell 3,700 too. But make sure you bargain at least make sure you bargain very well. Get up to 4,200 per kg dressed weight. Then feed consumption for 100 broilers. One broiler will consume 5.5 kg to 6 kg per bird. That's exactly what one broiler will consume for 6 weeks to achieve 3 kg body life weight. Now, let's go to revenue. Or if you want us to break it down, I can still break it down for you. How to consume it from week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, week 6. I've done that before, but let me do it again now. Now, for broilers, starter feed, they will consume 1.2 to 1.5 kg for starter. That will give us 120 to 150 kg of feed for 100 birds. Then for finisher, they will consume 3.0 to 3.5 kg. For 100 birds, they will consume about 300 to 350 kg. In total, they will consume about 450 to 500 kg for the 6 weeks for them to get up to 3 kg average. Now, if you check the total feed consumption and the broiler weight gain, week 1, they will give you weight of 150 to 200 gram. And here they are consuming starter feed. Week 2, they will give you 400 to 500 gram. They are still consuming starter feed. Then week 3, they will give you 900 gram to 1.1 kg. Now they are still consuming starter feed. Then week 4, they will give you 1.5 to 1.8 kg. They have gone into finisher feed. Then week 5, they will consume 2.2 to 2.5 kg. They are still in finisher feed. Then week 6, they will consume, they will get 2.5 to 3 kg body weight in week 5, week 6. If you give them very rich poultry feed, 31 to 32% crude protein super starter, and starter 20% crude protein to 21% crude protein, you get this particular weight I'm giving you. We have done it here and we achieved it. So this will be very good for you to get this weight. Poor feeding will delay growth and it will cost you high. You need clean water always. Very important for you to achieve this. Avoid underfeeding at the early stage, that is during the starter feed. Underfeeding will delay their growth. Good ventilation is very necessary. Let them have cross ventilation so they will be able to eat, and this will reduce stress. Disease or stress is not needed at this level at all for you to achieve your maximum result. More feed, less weight, you get this. Please be careful. Poor feeding is not good at all to delay their growth. Now let's get back to where we stopped. You have known what you are going to achieve in 6 weeks and others, but let's get the revenue and expenditure so that we know how you can get up to 210,000 naira in 400 birds in just 6 weeks. That will give you 2,100 per bird. Now let's get there. Total broiler stocked is 100 broilers. Now revenue, you are driving at 2.2 kg dressed weight. 2.2 kg dressed weight. If you multiply 2.2 times 4,200 naira, you are going to get 9,240 naira per bird in 6 weeks. Now for 100 birds, you're going to get 9,240 times 100. That's what you're going to get. For that will give you 924,000 naira for the whole 100 birds. Remember, you are not expecting mortality here. The company have already added 2 chickens for you for mortality. If you lose those chickens, at least you are still on balance, and you can still rear 100 broilers without mortality because there are very few. You can easily manage them. Now, cost chick at this period now that chicken has fallen down, you can get chicken 1,300 naira per bird. That will give you 130,000 naira for the whole 100 birds. Cost, assuming at 6 weeks, at 6 kg per bird. Feed consumption, 100 birds will consume 6 kg of feed. That will give you 6 kg times 100 will give you 600 kg feed. 600 kg divided by 25 kg of bag. That will give you about 24 bags of feed. That's what 100 birds will consume, both starter and finisher. Now let's go to the cost. Starter, 7 bags times, assuming they are selling feed in your area, 22,000 naira per bag. Then you are going to buy about starter feed 7 bags, 154,000 naira. Finisher feed will be 17 bags. Assuming they are selling finisher feed in your area, 20,000 naira per 25 kg bag. You're going to spend 340,000 naira for the 17 bags. That will give you total feed 494,000 naira is what you're going to spend for starter and finisher from day 1 till the end of 6 weeks, when they will achieve up to 3 kg average weight. Now you have other expenses. Vaccine in your area, assuming it's 2005, 2005, 2005, within that area you are going to spend 10,000 naira for vaccine. Now assuming you spend 20,000 naira for medication, both organic or synthetic, anything you use as medication to take care of them, then you pay salary. You pay yourself salary for that 6 weeks, maybe 50,000 naira. Now water and other things you spend. Now you have total costs of rearing 100 broilers at 90,000 naira. That is 10,000 vaccine, medications 20,000, salary 50,000, water and others 10,000. That will give you about 90,000 naira. Now, what is the total cost? Chicks at 1,300 per chick will give you 130,000 naira for 100 birds. Total feed is 494,000 naira for the whole birds for 6 good weeks. Based on the total cost of rearing 100 broilers from day 1 to the end of 6 weeks, chicks alone, the cost of chicks is 130,000. That is 1,300 per chick. Now, feed costs 494,000 naira. Other expenses like medicine, vaccine, and others, 90,000 naira. Total cost is 714,000 naira. Now, let's go to the profit so that you see how we made the profit. At 3 kg in 6 weeks, revenue will be 924,000 naira. The whole cost acquired is 714,000 naira. Your profit here now is subtract the cost from the revenue. That is 924,000 naira minus 714,000 naira. You have 210,000 naira. That is your profit. It's a good one. That will give you 210,000 naira. Profit per bed now is 210,000 naira divided by 100. You have 2,100 naira per bed. If you are selling in as a dressed chicken, maybe 4,200. If you sell above that, maybe 4,500, you make more money depending on your location and the cost there. The real business insight now is weight. If your birds are able to give you 3 kg in 6 weeks with proper management, quality feed, you get that. You make this 2,100 naira. If you fall down to 2.5 kg, you make 300 naira profit per bed, which is very low. The big lesson you learn from this particular calculation is your profit is in the extra weight your bird is able to get in 6 weeks, which is achievable. 6 weeks, 3 kg average. But you have to be careful. To achieve this, feed must be very high quality. Your birds must hit 3 kg in 6 weeks, not 8 weeks. If it's 8 weeks, you're going to acquire more cost. No disease or stress throughout this operation. Final verdict at 4,200 naira per kg, 6 weeks, 3 kg average weight of birds, you are in a strong profit zone. If you appreciate this video, please give it a thumb up and make sure you share this video to reach more poultry farmers. Please share this video. Many poultry farmers need this calculation. You can still amend this calculation based on your location. If you are buying your feed cheaper than here, you are going to make more profit. If you are not employing workers, this 100 birds is very simple. It's backyard. It's just backyard poultry farming. You and your family can be taking care of the birds at your backyard. 100 birds. 2 rooms can be able to contain 100 birds. Space of 2 rooms is enough. So it's not something you need to employ anybody at all. So you make more profit because that salary would come back to you now. You are making more profit. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and activate the bell notification. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers. Give it a thumb up, and we'll meet in the next video loading very soon. Till then, bye. Let me remind you, our Eco Bio Booster is still available. With our Eco Bio Booster, you can achieve any weight you want. You can see it. Eco Bio Booster is still available. You can achieve any weight of broiler you need. You see them. Eco Bio Booster. I say this is 55,000 naira, and this can take care of 500 broilers. Thank you for watching this video. If you need this product, please send me a message on my WhatsApp number on this screen. You get your own instantly within 24 hours in your location. Give details of your location, we'll send it to you. You get it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.